This question is from Kabir. Okay, so let me explain how to do it. First of all, read the question. Find the values of sine theta and sine phi in fraction. So sine theta, we're looking at sine theta first. As we understand that the definition for sine theta equal to the opposite side of theta over hypotenuse. So first of all, we need to identify which side is the opposite side of theta. Theta opposite side should be 2. And which side is the hypotenuse should be 3, the longest side. Okay, so therefore sine theta just 2 over 3. And now looking at sine phi equal to the opposite side of phi over hypotenuse. So we need to identify which side is the opposite side of phi. So opposite sides of phi should be this one. Opposite sides of phi. So square root 5. So over hypotenuse, which is the same 3. Okay, therefore sine phi equal to square root 5 over 3. That's it. Hope you also remember what is the definition for cosine theta, adjacent side of theta over hypotenuse, and also tangent theta equal to opposite sides of theta over adjacent sides of theta. Okay, that's it.